I'm Bishop Richard E. Young, and I plan to be at the Pentecostal Assemblies of the World's convention in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm excited about what God is going to do. I just believe He's going to meet us there. And whatever you do, you don't want to miss this convention. This is going to be one of the greatest conventions in the history of our organization. So if you haven't registered, go online. You can register, get registered, and meet me in Atlanta, Georgia for a time of your life. We are going to meet God there. God is going to bless us. We're going to have an awesome time of service and fellowship. You don't want to miss it. God bless you. Meet me there.